This is a re-edit of my motovlog where I talk about CarPlay on the new Goldwing motorcycle while riding to the Dairy Queen to get a dip cone. This is to focus on the capabilities of the Insta360 ONE X 360-degree camera. I'll answer all the questions about the things you're about to see. See the Honda logo on my windscreen? I put it there using the Insta360 app on my Mac desktop computer to prepare the native files for editing. The Insta360 native files are two videos, one from each side of the camera, that have to be stitched together to give you a 360-degree video. In the app, you can put a logo in the nadir of the video. Think of the 360-degree video as the surface of a globe, and the nadir is the South Pole. That's where the bottom edges of the two videos come together, and it's straight down from the camera. Where you see the Honda logo is where the camera is mounted to a stick, and the stick is attached to the windshield. Here's a picture. The camera and the stick are each aligned with the other. The software that stitches the camera files can put a logo over that nadir spot. The logo looks like it's attached, and it moves with the bike. Isn't this amazing? The camera appears to be out and away from the bike and hovering. I've received comments from minds blown. One commenter could not wrap his brain around the fact that the camera is supposed to be on the bike, but clearly it was well away from the bike, like it was being held by someone traveling alongside. Nope, same camera on the same 1-foot selfie stick attached to the windscreen. Final Cut Pro 10 senses that this is an equirectangular video when imported, and it gives me a new set of controls to adjust: tilt, pan, and roll, as well as the field of view, which is how wide the shot is, and a choice of normal and tiny planet modes. Take a look around, just a slow loop of my street, and there you are. Let's put it in drive and go find some breakfast. This is from another video. At first I'm just using normal mode, but in a moment you'll see me switch to tiny planet mode. Both modes do much the same, except normal mode tries to present normal looking scenes, whereas Tiny Planet allows extreme views. I'll give you a couple of extreme views to look at. Now a word about my audio. I record my narration separately. I put a small audio recorder in my pocket with a level set manually. No automatic gain because it'll be bad. I put a lav mic on a clip on my helmet's chin curtain with a mic on top next to my lips. With both audio and video recording, I clap my hands so my mic can hear it and my camera can see it. I manually sync the audio and video in post.